Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to make a tutorial on how you can add API payment in your Shopify. It will be a complete beginner tutorial for you guys. So without any further ado, let's get into it. So here, if you are on the Shopify and you are hesitated to fill or add UPI payment on your Shopify but you are not able to do it, so let's go. This is the easiest way to do add UPI payment in Shopify. Just click onto the setting. Once you click over here to the setting, then you will get the options here. As you can see it, let's see here. You just need to be click on to the payments. Once you click over here to the payments, here you will get couple of payment options. As you can see, that is the Shopify payments option. Then you have this PayPal transactions options, and if you want to add payment methods, then you just need to be click on add payment methods. Once you click over here, then here you just need to be search it by the name of UPI. Then here you can see that we are getting this provider there who support UPI payment through these options. Here you can see that UPI also supported here. So let's click over here, and it will take a while to loading, so we need to be keep patience while it is doing in the backend. So here you can see that wants to improve your sales by giving customers the option to buy your products using their preferable payment modes, accept payments through numerous popular modes including cards, API, net banking, and many more. So you can install this one. It will allow you to accept UPI payments. Also, if you want to use only UPI payment, you can also do it. It is the easiest and simplest way. You just need to be click on again add payment method. Once you click over here, you just need to be select this one, search by payment method, and then here you just need to be search it UPI, and then you just need to be take a while, and then you will eventually get the result where you will allow to select the UPI or choose the UPI payment methods for your website. Here you can see it. This is the UPI payment method, and when you select this one, here you will get this provider, and you can select your desired one which give you best service for your business. So I hope you understand how easy the process was. Now I can tell you that you get so much knowledge about to add UPI payments in Shopify. Thanks for watching the video. I hope this video will help you.